Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Lemon Peel Trick Can Save You from Chronic Joint Pain. Hi friends, in today's video I will reveal the way lemon peel can efficiently treat various health issues including inflammation and chronic joint pain. Lemons are one of the most beneficial fruits and they are included in various treatments of health conditions. It is one of the oldest cultivated plants worldwide and their consumption leads to various health benefits. Lemons are rich in important nutrients such as magnesium, potassium, calcium, folic acid, pectin, phosphorus, bioflavonoids, vitamin A, C, B1, B6. Consuming lemons on a regular basis will have numerous positive effects to the liver, intestine, stomach, and the entire immune system. Lemons are considered an acidic food, but because of its very low sugar content and high alkaline mineral content, calcium, potassium, magnesium, lemons actually have an alkalizing effect on the body that far exceeds its citric acid content. That's because when lemon juice has been fully metabolized and its minerals are dissociated in the bloodstream, its effect is alkalizing and therefore raises the pH of body tissues. Moreover, lemon significantly soothes joint pain. It has powerful antiseptic properties and the lemon leaves efficiently treat fever. Squeeze some lemon juice in the water or tea in the morning in the case of morning sickness during pregnancy. This will treat nausea immediately and it will settle the stomach. You probably didn't know this, but lemons can help with joint pain. The essential oils in the lemon peel can help relax blood vessels and possess anti-inflammatory properties, making them useful for joint and nerve pain. Here are two most effective ways to use lemon peels to soothe the pain. Number 1. Place the peels of 2 lemons in a glass jar and pour some olive oil over them. Close the jar and let it sit for 2 weeks. Once ready to use, apply on the affected area and wrap with gauze. Secure it with a bandage and leave it to act during the night. Number 2. You should grate the lemon rind, but without the white layer, and apply it to the painful area. Secure it with a bandage and leave it to act for 2 hours. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.